So hi. So today we will continue our discussion which we had started in the previous video for the phase 2 of the exam, and we were discussing about the paper 3 of the exam, which is finance and management. So we had discussed the section 1, and now basically we will discuss this section 2. We had already discussed the financial system, and today we will discuss about financial markets. So in this section, you have further subsections like forex, money, bond, and equity markets, and then primary and secondary markets, functions and instrument, and recent development related to these four sections of the market, which is forex, money, bond, and equity. So basically, what you can, you know, study is essentially difference between primary and secondary market along with their definitions. Instrument in primary markets like money market and capital market and their instruments, SEBI functions and working, government securities market in India and instruments like T-bill, government securities, inflation index bonds, sovereign gold bonds. And then you can also study debt management function of RBI, which you can find in functions and working of RBI, which is also on the RBI website. Things like negotiated dealing system for call and for government securities market. Another area which is related to equity market, that is mutual fund, its type and issues and latest development, because mutual fund has got a lot of attention and attraction in the past few years. So this area always becomes very important, and because the capital market is growing at a enormous pace, IPOs and FPOs also become very important topic. What else? You can study about the foreign investment through portfolio management, portfolio investments in India. You can also study about finfluencer, the people who are basically motivating or influencing people for investing and teaching, and there are things. And SEBI had made certain objections on that, so it was in news. So it becomes an important topic. Then depositories, NSDL, CST, CDSL, and then forex trading app, because RBI had published many, kind of warnings, I can say, to not to deal in unauthorized forex trading apps. So uh, it was in news, so it can be an important topic. Another area is forex market basic terminology, institution related to forex market like FDI, and salient features of FEMA. Then, if you go to money markets, basic products or instrument of money market, which is call money, MIBOR, and MIFOR, and recent development associated with MIBOR, MIFOR, and FBIL. CBLO or tri-party repo, CCIL and its role. CCIL is a central counterparty, very important organization. You must be aware of this organization. Uh, Commercial papers, certificate of deposits, um, corporate bond market in India hasn't got that much growth despite all efforts. Yield curve basics, and then uh, derivative products like forward futures and swaps. But all these things should be supplemented with recent developments which you can study in the newspapers. Sources which you can refer any book on Indian financial system for basic understanding. You will get all these things in any basic book. If you simply type Indian financial system, you will get few books. Newspapers, any good newspaper like Business Standard, Business Line, Economic Times, and regularly you should visit RBI website for information. You can also visit SEBI website also, but SEBI website is slightly more complicated to understand. So, and finally, disclaimer: this information is only for academic purpose, nothing to do with RBI, and so discretion is always advised. If you like, comment and share. Thank you so much.